Welcome to 180 YouTube channel. So today we will see that electrical tools, uses and maintenance and safety precautions. Myself Srinivas Darpelli, one of the electrical instructor. So this video having the four objectives is to identify the basic hand tools used in the electrical trades and select the essential tool for each specific job and maintain the and use of the tool safely. List of the factors to consider when purchasing the hand tools. So these four objectives are very important to do that practical work or field work of electricians. So electricians having must and should a toolkit or tool bag or tool pouch. In tool pouch must and should carry with all hand tools. The electrician tool pouch or bag is essential in that help to keep that electrical tools organized. The tool pouch also allows the right tools at angles which makes the job more efficient. The electrician must have the proper tools for the good job. The tools must be maintained and kept the good working conditions. The certain tools are essentials and without them the electrician should be not attempt to that any type of wiring or electrical works. Listed are the basic hand tools that are essential to the wiring. So these 5 points are kept in mind while doing that electrician jobs. So here we have that specific hand cutting tools. Those are needle nose plier, line pliers or side cutters, diagonal pliers, dikes, vice strippers. Needle nose plier is used to forming the loops and small conductors, cutting and stripping the small conductors. So the image of needle nose plier shown in slide. And lineman pliers, the cutting the large conductors, forming loops on large conductors, pulling and holding the large conductor, we can use that lineman pliers. Third one, diagonal pliers, which is used to cutting the small conductors, cutting the conductors in limited spaces. The fourth one, vice stripper, which is used to stripping insulation from the conductors, cutting the small conductors and trimming that lugs, line lugs, small line lugs. So which is very important while conducting that particular jobs. So here also we have that specific hand tools. First one tap tool, second one center tap, third one flat blade screwdriver, fourth one Phillips screwdriver. So tap tool, which is used to equipping drills holes with bolt threads and also retapping damaged threads and determine the bolt size. Center punch is used to making the center tap in wood or metal for drilling, means marking or making. Flat blade screwdriver, installing and removing the slot head screws, we have to use the flat blade screwdriver. Fourth one, Phillips, Phillips screwdriver, installing that and removing the Phillips head screws. So here also another 4 hand tools: slip joint pliers, magnetic torpedo level, fourth one keyhole saw, so third one keyhole saw, fourth one conductor hammer. Slip joint pliers holding coupling the conductors and also used for tightening the couplings of conductors. Tightening the couplings and conductors. So second one tool, magneto torpedo level, which is used to leveling the conduct and equipment. It is arranged at the equal height or maintain the same level with respect to the sizes. So third one, keyhole saw, cutting the holes in plasterboard. It is used to keyhole saw. Next, conductor hammer, ramming bars from the cut conducts and EMTs. So here also we have that another 4 tools. Hacksaw, hacksaw which is used to cutting the large conductors and cables, cutting the conducts and metals or bolts. Second one, steel measuring tape, which is used to measure that objectives and the conductors and cables. Third one, adjustable wrenches, used for the turning bolts, nuts and small pipe fittings. Fourth one, nut driver, installing and removing the nuts and bolts, tightening and loosening the nuts and long bolts. We have to use nut drivers. So essential tools for electricians is electrician hammer, circuit tester, electric knife, electrician knife and X-key set. So electric hammer is used to diving and pulling the nails, opening the wood tracks and breaking the plasterboard. Circuit tester, checking the circuit of power, checking the fuses and breakers. Electrician knife, which is used to opening the paper cartons and used to stripping cables and large conductors. X-key set, installing and removing the Allen screws. Allen screws. Tools are used for specially work. So where we have to use that some special works, you must and should use that steel fish rape and reel. The pulling the conductors through the conducts, pulling the cables through the insulation walls. Conduct bender, the bending conducts for the conductor installations. So the picture of the conductor also shown in the slides. The rotating speed screwdriver, used for the trim work, installing the switch and receptacles. So fourth one, sheet metal cutters. It is used to cutting that and trimming the sheet metals. While preparing the switchboards like panels, we have to use that sheet metal cutters. The rules for the care of the hand tools. There are the many more hand power tools and the electrician will be used residential and commercial wiring. All tools should be used in only for the purpose instead. It is the electrician responsible to keep his and her tools sharp and clean and lubricant. A well-maintained tool has a longer life and safer than the poorly maintained tool. Report the tools and possible and better, but discard on the damaged tools. So while the purchasing that tools, we have to consider the some factors, tools like size, design and quality. Always purchase the correct size tools for the work to be done. The tool should be designed especially for electrical work. Example, insulated handles, hammers, strike locks. Then purchase of quality of tools last the longer, which have the replacement cost. So please remember that the main points of that: select the right tool for the job, keeps tools the clean, lubricant and the good working condition, and purchase the good quality tools. They are safer and will be longer. Repair the tools when possible, but discard worn and damage the tools. So not only these are the all electrician tools. So remaining tools will be, I will explain in the next video. So we are missing here the electrician tester, hand tester, neon tester, some like electrical tapes, and some another remaining tools we will discuss it in the next class. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubts and queries, please ask in comment section. Thank you.